Have you ever wished for a second chance? Maybe you dropped your favorite ice cream, or you missed a special birthday. Imagine you could go back in time, back to that very moment. You could catch the ice cream. You could be there for the party. What an incredible idea, don't you think? Or perhaps you dream of the future. What will the world look like? Will we have cities on Mars? Will robots be our best friends? So, what is this amazing machine? We call it a time machine. Many stories and movies show them. Sometimes they are shiny like spaceships, sometimes they look like strange cars, or even a simple spinning chair. In these stories, people visit dinosaurs. There once was a very smart scientist. His name was Albert Einstein. He had amazing ideas about space. He also had big ideas about time. Einstein helped us see the universe. He showed it in a brand new way. His thoughts changed everything for us. He gave us keys to cosmic doors. Einstein said space is like a giant sheet, a huge, stretchy fabric everywhere. Imagine a trampoline, but much bigger. This fabric is called space-time. All the stars and planets are on it. You and I are on this fabric too. We move across it every single day. It's the stage for everything that happens. Now think about putting a heavy ball, a bowling ball on that trampoline. What happens to the fabric? It bends, it curves, it dips down. Big things in space do this too. So, time can change its speed. This is a real thing, not just a story. Scientists call it time dilation. It means time can pass differently, for different people or different places. Imagine two clocks ticking, they might not always agree. The universe has its own rhythm. This happens near very heavy things like a giant black hole. Gravity there is super strong, it pulls on space-time very hard. Time near a black hole moves slower than time far away from it. Time also changes if you move fast, very, very fast, near light speed. Scientists also imagine cosmic tunnels. These are called wormholes. Think of an apple with a worm inside. The worm can crawl across the skin, or it can chew a tunnel through. A wormhole could be a tunnel in space-time. Section 4. Twists in time, paradoxes and possibilities. Traveling through time sounds exciting, but it could also be very tricky. What if you change something important, something in the past, by mistake? This could cause big problems. Problems we call paradoxes. These are like puzzles with no answer. They make our heads spin a bit. One famous puzzle is the grandfather paradox. Imagine you travel back in time. You meet your grandfather as a young boy. What if you accidentally stop him? Stop him from meeting your grandmother? Then your parents would not be born. And then you would not be born. But if you were not born, who went back? Some scientists think the past cannot change. They say it is like a fixed movie. You can watch it, you can be in it. But you cannot change the story. Whatever you try to do in the past, it was always meant to happen. It was part of history already. Section 5. The universe in our hands, hopes and hazards. Imagine if we really built one. A working, safe time machine. The possibilities could be amazing. Think of all the things we could learn. We could visit ancient Egypt, see the pyramids being built by people. We could watch dinosaurs roam the earth. History would come alive before our eyes. We could also try to help humanity. Perhaps we could go back in time to warn people about a big disaster, like a giant earthquake or a tsunami. We might save many, many lives, or we could learn from past mistakes, see where things went wrong for societies and try to build a better future. But time travel could also be dangerous. What if someone used it for bad things, to change history for their own gain, or to create terrible weapons? Section 6. Your journey through the ages, a final thought, the dream of traveling through time. It captures our imagination, doesn't it? From ancient stories to modern science. We've always looked at the clock and wondered, what if? What if we could step outside our moment, to explore the vast ocean of years? It is a journey many long to take. Science shows us time is not simple. It can bend, it can stretch, it can slow. Einstein gave us a new view. Wormholes and spinning cylinders are ideas. Paradoxes make us think very hard, about cause, effect, and what is real. The universe is full of such puzzles, and we, the curious humans, love to solve them. If you had a time machine, just one, and you could take only one trip, where in time would you choose to go? Would you visit the distant past, to see how life began on our planet? Or would you leap into the far future, to discover what humanity becomes? A truly fascinating choice to ponder.